Hello friends, input box in VB6. So for the demonstration of input box, let us design the interface. First, put up a label and then set its caption to "You entered." Then put up a text box and set its text property to blank. There is a shortcut to view the properties pane, that is F4. Using F4 you can view the properties pane. Then drop a button onto the form. And its caption is set to OK. So our aim here is when the form is first loaded, and when we click on OK button, an input box is shown where user enters something, and then the text which is entered into the input box is shown here. So inside the OK click event, right? Then first declare a variable, deem message as string, then message is equal to input box. Now it has number of parameter. First is the prompt, that is the text to be shown, that is enter a message. Second is the title. Here the title is a test. Third one is the default value. We are putting default value as hello. Rest we can ignore. Then we check if is not equal to blank, then text1 dot text is equal to message, and then end the if. That is, if message is not blank, then assign the text of textbox 1 to the message, and then run the program using F5. Here, when you click on OK, an input box will be shown. This is the title, this is the prompt or the text, and this is the default value. Right, like I am from Mumbai. Then click on OK. Here you can see that the text of the text box 1 is set to the input we entered in the input box. So it was a demo regarding input box in VB6. Thank you.